MF Travels presents Hilton Tulum Drone Shots. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Hilton Tulum is a natural sanctuary situated directly on the white sand and clear waters of a pristine and secluded bay that feels like a private beach. With 735 rooms and suites, 13 all-inclusive restaurants and bars, a luxury spa, and a lively family area, you can disconnect from the ordinary and connect with the extraordinary at this all-inclusive resort. Located throughout two-story villa-style buildings, the guest rooms and suites offer private balconies and stunning oceanfront or resort views. Now enjoy the rest of the drone shots and enjoy the music while previewing this beautiful property. Imagine yourself in that beach. Shall I book you now? Comment down below. Don't forget to book your vacation with me, MF Travels.